Hi, boys and girls. I hope everyone is having a very good week, a very good day. And I'm not sure what the weather outside is just yet, but hopefully you could get outside to play. Today, our book is There is a Bird on Your Head. Piggy. Is something on my head? Yes. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two. Three. You have 3 eggs on your head. Oh my goodness, 3 eggs. I wonder what's going to happen. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They've hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them.